Alright guys, this is Sean Floyd with Mid-Georgia Exteriors Pressure Washing. I'm going to show you today how our soft washing technique works when we're taking care of your house. As you can see, this house has tons of mildew growing on the side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my soap, a low pressure soap. I'm going to go all the way down here. As you can see, it's already turning brown. And what I'm going to do is let this dwell for about 5 minutes, and I'll come back with a low pressure rinse. Now this has only been about 2 to 3 minutes. You can already see that everything is starting to disappear. I'm going to give it another minute or two, and then I'm just going to come back with a low pressure rinse and knock it all off. Now we've had about 5 minutes of dwell time. You can see that it's really white now. Most of the stuff has dissolved. And what I'm going to do now is come back with a low pressure rinse and show you how that comes off. And here's what it looks like now. After the rinse, you can see everything is completely gone. And it's much safer than using high pressure. If you're interested in a wash, give us a call, 478-972-5206. You can also check us out on our Facebook page. And you can also see our website at www.midgeorgiaexteriors.com.